Experience the ultimate fusion of raw power, precision craftsmanship, and sleek design with the Sangria 1970 Dodge Charger, a masterpiece built by Blazin Rodz. Every muscle car fan dreams of a ride that seamlessly blends classic heritage with modern engineering, and this beast is precisely that. With a staggering 1,500 horsepower DSR motor, one of only two in existence, this Charger redefines dominance on the road and the track. Unmatched drivetrain performance. Beneath the hood lies pure performance. The DSR motor paired with Mobil 1 engine oil, ensuring top-tier lubrication and endurance. A pure Stage 2 transmission delivers seamless shifts, while the Roadster Shop 9-inch third-member rear end and Driveline Pro carbon fiber drive shaft guarantee optimal power delivery. With 1,500 horsepower, this classic Charger is a powerhouse built to push the limits. The aggressive stance is a testament to the compression wheels, meticulously sized for grip and aesthetics. Front wheels 20 by 9, rear wheels 21 by 14, wrapped in Pirelli tires. Front 255/30 R20 and rear 355/25 R21, ensuring maximum traction for every burnout and high-speed sprint. Exterior. Paint manufacturer, House of Color. Paint color, KK03 Wild Cherry. Taillight lens, Classic Industries chassis. Chassis, Roadster Shop, Fast Track Elite Series. Fuel. Fuel type, 91 octane. Fuel pump, automotive. Fuel tank cell, Roadster Shop. Brakes. Manufacturer, carbon ceramic Brembos. Electrical. Battery location, trunk. Battery manufacturer, XS. Exhaust. Exhaust. Manufacturer, MagnaFlow. Cooling. Radiator, Wizard. Fans, Wizard. Step inside, and you're greeted with a perfect blend of luxury and race-inspired aesthetics. Sparco seats provide unmatched support during high-speed maneuvers. Avant-garde design door panels add a modern touch to the classic cabin. Motec gauges ensure precise real-time monitoring of performance. Vintage Air AC system keeps things cool, making every drive comfortable even in peak summer heat.